When Congress enacted MoCRA in 2022, it was hailed as a sweeping overhaul of FDA's cosmetic safety and quality standards. Yet, here we are, more than 3 years later, and MoCRA has largely stalled. FDA is noticeably delayed in enacting manufacturing requirements, allergen labeling rules, and talc-containing product rules, among others. And with a broad regulatory freeze under the Trump administration, FDA's lack of movement on MoCRA will likely continue. But hang on, the beauty industry is not in regulatory limbo. On the contrary, sweeping change is here, yet this time around, it's at the state level. At least 17 states have passed or introduced so-called toxic-free laws. A handful of these laws took effect on January 1, 2025, while others take effect in 2026 and 2027. And as we speak, more bills are working their way through state legislatures across the country. Importantly, these state laws take a different approach to cosmetic safety than federal law. While MoCRA focuses on labeling disclosures and manufacturing standards, toxic-free laws take a more pointed focus. They simply impose a restriction or flat-out ban on allegedly harmful ingredients in consumer products, including cosmetics and personal care products. In essence, the states are legislating quote-unquote clean beauty. And not just for cosmetic brands, entities up and down the supply chain, manufacturers, distributors, even retailers may be subject to these laws, putting them at risk of government enforcement and civil penalties. From a business risk perspective, toxic-free laws are a windfall for consumer class action plaintiffs and their lawyers. Plaintiffs allege violations of these laws as the basis for filing suit under state false advertising laws and consumer protection laws, among other claims. Defending against class action lawsuits is costly and time-consuming and can have a huge impact on brand reputation. The point is, these toxic-free laws have industry impact well beyond product formulations and compliance burdens. Loeb & Loeb's multidisciplinary health and wellness practice can help.